All right, so I pick up the head by the mace and just really put it just behind the back. You can start in a completely still position first. And you want to just slowly build up, rocking side to side. And you notice I'm trying to get the mace to swing, the mace head to swing about horizontal. Once I can get that thing to swing horizontal, then I'll start pulling. And you'll see in a minute, I'm going to start right there. I start pulling, bang. And these are very short pulls. All I'm doing is I feel the swing, bang, swing, bang. And now I'm pulling all the way down. So essentially I'm going, once it swings up, I pull down in a straight line. Whop. And I go all the way down to my hip in a straight line as I turn. So I'm really waiting for the timing. Wait for the mace head to approach me, much like a tap swing. You know, there's a timing to your swings in gymnastics, and there's a timing to this swing too. And you are in control of all of it with your torso. So you're accelerating here as you feed the mace behind, and then you're decelerating as you pull it down to control. All right. So here's a view from behind. Notice I have it that glued. Essentially, it's right at the back of the neck, as low as I can get it, because I want my elbows to point to the sky. If your elbows aren't pointing to the sky, they're pointing out, you're going to really stress out your triceps too much. So what you really want to do is continually feed that to the back of the neck. And just really right here, I know I'm talking really fast, but notice how I'm just shifting at the right moment, at the right time, side to side. And there's a little bit of a rotation, a little bit of a turn in my torso, as if I'm going to throw that mace to the ground. Bang. You know what I mean? So these feeds are coming all the way, and I'm going to go to the side in a minute, but you can see, even if you look down to the legs, you can see it's constant shifting to the weight from side to side. And here we go. I'm going to be going from the side here now. You can really see. So it's side and a bit of little arc, and as I turn to finish that, almost like I'm going to lay down my stomach to my leg. Almost like, you know, we're doing a pancake stretch, but we go from right to left. So it's to the side, but we also rotate a bit, again, because we're working on throwing. Imagine you're throwing somebody in judo or, you know, wrestling or something like that. So I'm really patient with the pull. It's more I move my body first, move body, pull next, excuse me. So feed, turn, pull, feed, turn, pull, feed, turn, pull. And that's pretty much the whole way, you know. And in the beginning, you don't even need to do the pulls. You can just simply get used to swinging with the mace behind the head. That would be most ideal if you can just keep swinging with the mace behind the head, because you know, you're going to be building up that feeling, the proprioception on how to control, again, accelerate and decelerate that mace. All right, man. Again, any questions, hit me up. Peace.